Ready to meet the brainiest bird on the planet? Let's fly right in. Meet the crow. These feathered geniuses are like the Einsteins of the bird world. Did you know crows can use tools? Yep, just like us. They can bend wires to fish out food and even use leaves as spoons. And get this, they can recognize human faces. If you've ever annoyed a crow, it might just remember you. Crows are also great problem solvers. In one experiment, a crow named Betty figured out how to get food by using a series of tools in the right order. Talk about bird brains. So next time you see a crow, give it some respect. You might just be looking at one of the smartest animals around. Stay curious, my friends, and keep an eye out for those clever crows.